All right, what's up? We're back for part 3. So, things would be a lot easier in this world if people didn't compete for stuff that wasn't theirs. If people didn't compete, period. There's just people that think they're better than other people, and it's just like, why? We all come from the same place, source. Why you gotta think you're better than me? Or why you gotta think you're better than the Divine Pisces collective? We have the 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups. I'm seeing this in reverse. Somebody, excuse me, there is some sort of scandal here that's not working out in these people's favor. I feel like they tried to tear you down with gossip, malicious gossip, egregious gossip, gossip that was just straight lies. This is what they invested in, as well as other things. It's one of the things, it's not going to work out for them. Well, let's just say it's going to work out for their detriment. I mean, what you put out into the universe is what you get back. What's the death card, please? So there could have been a group of people who came together to abuse their power with a divine feminine or a divine masculine. Somebody who's divine, somebody who co-creates with the divine. You could be in the public eye. Your transformation could be in the public eye. People could be recognizing that you've transformed here. You did a lot of work on yourself with the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody's trying to create illusion around money. Somebody's trying to create illusion around your stability, your security, your financial independence. I feel like they're trying to manipulate. Okay. So Knight of Pentacles on the bottom of the deck. Let's go ahead and go one more round here. What's the Divine Pisces collective need to know about this energy, Spirit? Tell us about this. Tell us about this 6 of Pentacles reverse, High Priestess. Somebody could have definitely bribed a High Priestess as well. Or somebody could be bribing tarot readers, or somebody could be bribing a practitioner. Somebody could have bribed a practitioner to lay you to rest. 353. It didn't work. You're still kicking. You could be a practitioner who's sitting in a lot of peace and quiet, even though there's so much negativity going around in the energy about you. You're still very peaceful. We have the Moon coming out on top of the King of Swords and the 3 of Wands. So once again, I feel like you have foresight about this person coming in to tell you some sort of truth. You don't know who it is. You don't know when it's going to be. It's hidden. It could be, for your safety. It could be regarding an Ace of Pentacles or finances. Could be the fact that it could be information about an Ace of Pentacles, and it could be information about a collection is what I was going to say. So something about collections. I don't know what that means. But there is a collaboration who is under judgment. These people could be going to... I'm not going to say it. Let's keep going. What's the Seven of Pentacles reverse and the Four of Pentacles? So somebody invested in trying to control you and it's not working. Somebody could be paying a lot of money to control you and it's not working. They're getting bad news. Somebody wants to play with your emotions, but you're clearly protected. I don't know why they continue to try this. Clearly, you are taken care of by the divine. Clearly, you have divine favor. Clearly, you have a spirit team who is defending you. Somebody's heartbroken about your protection, about your destiny, about your purpose. Somebody's heartbroken about some sort of fortune that is going to come back to you. All right, what's the Wheel of Fortune with the 9? The Devil came in reverse here. So I feel like you were very resilient in releasing whatever negativity, whatever trauma, whatever codependency, whatever toxic people that you were surrounded with. You dropped them. You are not, bound by the devil anymore. Congratulations. Congratulations, High Priestess. Somebody is scared about this. Look. Somebody is scared that you have healed from this betrayal. And you completed this cycle. Somebody's scared that you're happy. Somebody's scared that you're joyful. Okay. This conflict could have something to do with people doing energy manipulation. Take it where it resonates for you, but these people are... Oof. Somebody's very insecure. Somebody can't make shit grow. Somebody doesn't have any manifestation power whatsoever. Or willpower or determination. This person is not creative. They are not abundant. So they steal people's money to be abundant. You're still getting this new beginning. Things are still working out in your favor because you walked away. Ooh. I see the Tower, the 5 of Swords, and the 10 of Pentacles, followed by the 9 of Pentacles. Wow. So I just showed you the Justice, the Ace of Wands, and the 8 of Cups. Then it's followed by the Tower. People being jealous and envious of you. People committing crimes against you to gain this 10 of Pentacles. I didn't even see the 6 of Wands there. But this is what you're getting still. Complete financial independence, financial freedom, possible public recognition, absolute generational wealth. And these powers that were, is what I'm hearing, are going to be sitting in this energy. Ugh. Well, that's yucky. Well, you sit in justice, man. Okay, what's the 6 of Wands and the Death card, please? Okay, the 8 of Swords did come out here. I feel like it's in the reverse. You're having victory and transforming and releasing yourself from whatever anxiety, whatever feeling of being trapped, whatever entrapment this was. Somebody could have tried to get you locked up. Oh, wait. Whoops, I guess we don't need any more here. We are going to get 3 cards of advice or closing messages, though. You're free. You have nothing to worry about here. This person, this is like the ringleader or something. They're getting bad news about their investments here, of trying to control you. Okay. 3 cards of advice or closing messages. 9 of Pentacles. Financial independence. Knowing your worth. Knowing what you bring to the table here. You in control of holding your energy back from these people. One more, please. Leaving the past in the past is what I'm getting with the 6 of Pentacles reverse. Walking away from people who you have bad nostalgia with or negative nostalgia with. Page of Swords on the bottom of the deck telling me, I feel like you're learning more about stability here. There's definitely people who are watching you. Okay, we're going to cut this and we'll be back for a part 4, I think.